Struggling to edit your Namecheap header? In 4 minutes, I will show you exactly how to customize it step by step, so you can stop staring at that generic, mismatched header and finally make it look like it belongs to your brand. First, we will open the site builder, then select the header, add a contact link, and finally adjust the font style. All right, let us get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up the Namecheap website builder. Go ahead and navigate to the SiteMaker app in your browser. This is where all the magic happens. Once you are there, you should see your list of websites. Find the one you want to work on and click into it. This will launch you into the editing interface where we can start making changes. Now, this is the part where a lot of people get stuck. You need to actually select the area you want to edit. Look for the highlighted section on your page. It is usually a banner or a prominent area right at the top. Just click directly on that highlighted region. Think of it like saying, hey, I want to work on this part right here. And the builder will respond by showing you the tools you need. So now that you have that area selected, let us focus on the part that matters most, the header. Look for the option that says Header in the editing panel. It is probably along the top or in a sidebar. Click on it. This tells the builder exactly which section of your page you were aiming to customize. It is like opening the right drawer in a toolbox. Once the header options are open, you will see a few different elements you can tweak. We are going to add a contact link. Find the button or option that says Contact and click it. This will either add a pre-made contact button or open up the settings for it. This is a super practical way to make your header more functional, giving visitors an easy way to reach you. And here is where we can really dial things in. Now, look for the option to add another link or a scroll block. It might be labeled Add Another Link or something similar. Click on that. This is great if you want to add a link to a specific page on your site, like an About page or a Services page, right in your header. It makes navigation a breeze for your visitors. Now, let us talk about the look. You will see a few different layout options. Go ahead and click on Template 1. This is usually a clean, standard layout that works well for most brands. It is a safe bet if you are not sure which one to pick, and it gives you a solid foundation to build on. Next up is the font. This is where we really start to make it yours. Find the option that says System Fonts and click on it. System fonts are great because they load quickly and look professional. They also tend to match a wide variety of browser settings, so your header will look consistent no matter what device someone is using. Pick the one that feels right for your brand. Once you are happy with how everything looks, you need to save your work. Find the Continue button and click it. This will lock in all the changes you just made. And just like that, you have gone from a generic, unedited header to a customized one with contact info and proper fonts that actually matches your brand. It really is that straightforward. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy building.